So this is the UK Intermediate Mathematical Challenge, February 2006. It's a past paper. Time allowed is 1 hour. You cannot use a calculator and no measuring instruments like a ruler or a protractor. There are 5 marks awarded for each correct answer to questions 1 to 15. There are 6 marks awarded for each correct answer to questions 16 to 25. There are marks deducted in the actual competition, the actual challenge. There are marks deducted, but if you are doing my class on OutSchool, then you'll know that I don't deduct those marks when we are practicing, only when we're doing mock competition challenge papers. Question 1. What fraction is halfway between 1/4 and 1/6? So we use equivalent fractions to get them both with a common denominator, and then there wasn't enough space when I did twelfths because we had 3 and 2. So by multiplying both by 2 again, got us up to a number where I could have a fraction in between the 2 fractions here with the same denominator.